Now, a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months ago, I was very obsessed with like my morning routine and how I could optimize it every single day by 1% to to become better, right? So I started experimenting with cold showers, brushing my teeth, doing my hair in the morning, going outside in the morning, meditating in the morning, journaling in the morning, visualizing in the morning, all these different things, right? Even reading, doing push ups. I tried everything under the sun, bro. The thing with a morning routine is I see a lot of people there, they're very obsessed about this. So, in my free school community, I created a guide on your morning routine, or I just created a guide on basically aligning your life to your business. Um, a part of that was the morning routine, right? And this was very shocking to me. But this video was the most watched video out of everything about a morning routine, bro. So this kind of shifted my perspective. I was like, holy shit, people actually care so much about your morning routine. But here's the thing, bro. The morning routine from Alex Hormozy is he wakes up and he works. But then you have other people who have like a morning routine of 30 minutes. Then you have people who have a morning routine of 1 hour. Then you have people who have a morning routine of like 3 hours. But they all became rich. They all made money. So my question for you is like, do you really think it matters that much about your morning routine and all that stuff, or is it just cope? Because um, recently I've been realizing more and more that all these productivity hacks, all these productivity gurus, it's all cope. It's about doing less. Um, all these morning routines and stuff is all about, oh, here's what you should add, here's what you should add. However, everything is about doing less, right? So I'm still going to meditate in the morning because I'm going to try to move it to the midday or something like that. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to still go outside in the morning because I just noticed that my testosterone went really up when I'm going outside first thing in the morning. I feel my eyes are like less. You know when you have like these wake up eyes, right? When you wake up and you have these eyes that I don't know looked fucked up basically. People notice when you're just out of bed. I realize that when I wake up in the morning, I get my morning sunlight. I have this less. My sleep, I'm falling asleep faster. There's so many benefits. So that's what I'm doing right now. I used to take a cold shower as well, but I'm going to try to cut that off right now as well. And that's it, bro. I'm not going to do more because there's no reason to. I just want to work, bro. I'm a worker. I'm not a morning routiner. Like, do you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, cool. You're doing your morning routine now, but how is money going to appear in the bank? No, the only reason money appears in my bank is because I work. It's not because I do my morning routine. So yeah, man, that's something interesting that I just wanted to talk to you about. I'm going to keep this very short for today. I'm not going to tell you anything more. I would like to know that if there's a certain topic that you want me to talk about, please let me know below. I'll be interested to see it, bro. I'm planning to create a full guide, but I don't exactly know on what because I think optimizing your health it's just doing less, eating less carbs, all that stuff. You know the basics, right? Then we have productivity. Again, it's about doing way less, right? So I don't know. I don't feel like I can create a full guide on that. But if you would really like to see one, I will create one 100%. It's probably going to be like less than my previous course. It's probably only going to be like 40 minutes. Then I can have maybe one of like mental health stuff like that. But yeah, man, if you'd be interested to see that, then or something else, then please let me know.